Hello and welcome to Popeye Hill. We use ornamental grass around our property for various purposes. It's great for privacy as well as ornamental value. The downside is you have to clean up the stems annually. One option a lot of folks use is to have them hauled away for recycling. The option that I like is to use them as mulch for in the garden. After trimming the ornamental grass back, I load it up into my wagon, take it back, and store it in a pile. Then later in the year, when the time's right, I apply it to the garden as a mulch. My first stop for mulching with ornamental grass this year was to use it around my sweet potatoes. The ornamental grass mulch will help keep weeds down, plus it helps conserve water in the soil. Next up was the pumpkin patch in the back garden. In this case, I was able to just walk it over and apply it since it's nearby the mulch pile. I applied generously on both sides of the row of pumpkins. That allows them to spread out and grow happily and freely. The ornamental grass stems help suppress weeds and at the same time helps preserve water in the soil. I hope this information was interesting and useful to you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here on Popeye Hill.